Hello everyone, welcome once again to Saga's Online Maths. Let's solve this implicit differentiation together. Now we agree that 2x squared multiplied by y plus 2y squared multiplied by x plus 4 is equals to 1. We are asked to find the y the x. Remember that this is what implicit differentiation. Any given function, you are given two unknown variables, you are asked to differentiate. Know that this is what implicit. Remember that implicit simply means when you are differentiating two functions at a time, while explicit means when you are differentiating one variable at a time. But this we are differentiating two variables at a time, so it's implicit. So note that in implicit differentiation, all the rules or all the law, all the rules that govern differentiation is being applied. And one of the rules that we must apply here is product rule. Product rule help us here very well. So let's differentiate this. So if you are differentiating x squared, first of all we'll keep y constant. So let's differentiate x squared. If we differentiate x squared, we are going to have 4s, right? I'm going to have 4 because if I differentiate 4 and if I multiply 2 by this, I have 4 subtract 4 and I will have s. Then I will keep y constant. You see, this is the product rule in differentiation that we are using here. That means we are applying the rule in implicit differentiation. Now what we are going to do is to differentiate y and keep 2s squared constant. Then plus. Then if I differentiate y, I will just have 1, right? Then I will keep this constant, which is 2s to the power of 2. Is it not simple? Very simple. Then plus, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to differentiate. Sorry, I did not attach my divided x. Remember when I'm differentiating y, I must attach my divided x. So I'm differentiating 1, if I differentiate y, I have 1 multiplied by 2s squared, then into dy over the x. Because whenever I'm differentiating y, I must attach my divided x, right? Then this, I will also differentiate y, so this is plus 4y, then keep s constant, right? Then into dy over the x. You see, then what I'm going to do now is to differentiate to differentiate x and keep this constant. So remember that if I differentiate x, I'm going to have I'm going to have 1, right? This will not be plus 1 because if I differentiate x, I will have 1. Then I keep this constant. So 1 times this is anything like this, so I'll just write 2y squared, right? Then if I differentiate 4s, it's just 4. So let me remove this and write just 4. So we have plus 4. All this will be equals to 0 because if I differentiate a constant, which is 1, here will be 0. And remember, we are asked to find the y the x, right? The y the y over the x. Alright, so let's go on. So now that this is 4xy, then plus 1 multiplied by all this, I'm going to have 2s squared into dy over the x, then plus 4yx into dy over the x, then plus 2y squared, you see, then plus 4 equals to 0. Now consider that I'm having 2s squared dy over the x and 2ys. Let me check this again. Where did I differentiate this? Okay, I differentiated this. Okay, it's correct. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this and this to my right hand side, right? And transfer this to my. So now this is 2s squared into dy over the x, then plus 4y x into dy over the x. Then if this go over here, this will be minus 4xy. If this move over here, it comes out minus 2y squared. If this move over here, it comes out minus 4, right? Now what is common here? I can see that divide the s is common. I can factorize that divide the s is common. Then into divide this by this, I have 2s squared. Divide this by this, I have plus 4y. Let me see that 4y again. 4y. Alright, I will have plus 4y x. Then because this multiplied by this will give me this, and this times this will give me this, right? Equals to what is common here? I see that 2 is common into minus 2 is common, right? Minus 2 is common. Factorize it. Divide this by this, I have 2xy. Divide this by this, I have plus y squared. Divide this by this, I have plus 2, right? Now I'm going to divide both sides by this. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 2s squared plus 4yx and divide this by 2s squared plus 4 plus 4yx. Now this will cancel out this, and that's that dy over the s will equals to minus 2 into 2xy plus y squared plus 2 all over 2s squared plus 4yx. And this is just the solution to this problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Like, comment, and also share with your loved ones so that others will learn from it. Thank you so much, and God bless.